हम लोग उड़ीसा से आए हैं। एक्चुअली क्या हुआ, जून 30 को हमको पता चला कि उनका पेट में दर्द हो रहा है। तो जून 30 में जब पेट दर्द हुआ, हम लोकल गायनिक डॉक्टर को दिखाए थे। तो वहाँ पर उन्होंने फाइंड आउट किए थे अल्ट्रासाउंड में कि 2 ट्यूमर है बोलकर। तो कोरोना का भय से हम दूसरे कहाँ पर भी नहीं जा पा रहे थे। तो हम संबलपुर बुर्ला मेडिकल गए थे। उन्होंने बोले थे, डॉक्टर बोले थे कि हो जाएगा, लेकिन थोड़ा रिस्क है। तो मैं वहाँ पर रिस्क उठाना नहीं चाहता था, इसीलिए मैं वहाँ से बैक किया। 6 या 7 डेज़ के बाद मैं वहाँ से बैक किया। उसके बाद कोरोना का भय से मैं इधर उधर कहीं भी जा नहीं पा रहा था, ट्रेन टिकट मेरे को नहीं मिल रहा था। मैं एक दिन इंटरव्यू देख रहा था डॉक्टर देवी प्रसाद सेठी सर का। तो वहाँ पर मेरे को पता चला कि वहाँ पर हार्ट ऑपरेशन जो हो रहा है। तो मेरा मिसेस का जो है VSD प्रॉब्लम के साथ ट्यूमर 2 था। तो हमको बहुत डर लग रहा था, वो जो हार्ट प्रॉब्लम को लेकर, VSD को लेकर बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था। हम लोग यहाँ पर 2 तारीख आए, 2 तारीख पहुँचे, 3 तारीख ट्रीटमेंट शुरू हुआ। तो मैं आकर देखा कि गायनोकोलॉजी को दिखाऊंगा या किसको दिखाऊंगा पहले। तो मैं आ गया मौजमदार मेडिकल। तो मैंने देखा वहाँ पर गायनोकोलॉजी है। तो उसका यूनिट चार्ट जब मैंने देखा वहाँ पर, तो वहाँ पर डॉक्टर रोहित रघुनाथ रानाडे थे। वो थे गायनोकोलॉजी कम ऑन्कोलॉजी। तो उनको मैंने दिखाया। डॉक्टर श्रुति मैडम थे, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। वो बहुत हेल्प किए हैं मेरे को, हमको दोनों को बहुत हेल्प किए हैं, इसीलिए उनको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद डॉक्टर श्रुति मैडम को। रोहित रानाडे सर चेक करने के बाद उन्होंने हमको कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट के ट्रीटमेंट होने के लिए बोले थे, उनको दिखाने के डॉक्टर का परमिशन लेने के लिए बोले थे। तो हम डायरेक्ट देवी प्रसाद सेठी सर, डॉक्टर देवी प्रसाद सेठी सर के पास चले गए। तो उन्होंने हमारा रिपोर्ट सब देखे, जो बुर्ला का रिपोर्ट सब देखे। 2 बार कोविड टेस्ट किए, कोविड नेगेटिव निकला 2 बार। तो सर हमको 14 तारीख एडमिट किए और 15 तारीख को ऑपरेशन किए थे। और वहाँ पर जो सिस्टर भी थे, बहुत हेल्प किए हैं। उनका हेल्प भी मैं नहीं भूलूँगा। अश्विनी सिस्टर थे, दिव्या थे, नंदिनी थे, देवकी थे, बहुत सारे सिस्टर हमको हेल्प किए हैं और 19 को हमको डिस्चार्ज किए हैं।
मेरा नाम तृप्ति रानी साहू है। हम उड़ीसा से आए हैं। ट्यूमर का प्रॉब्लम था। रोहित सर से मिले और श्रुति मैम से मिले। उन दोनों ने हमारा बहुत हेल्प किया। अभी बहुत अच्छा फील कर रहा हूँ सर्जरी के बाद। और रोहित सर और उनके टीम को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
और यहाँ पर आकर मैंने देखा, 1 महीना वहाँ यहाँ रहा हूँ। कोविड-19 का यहाँ पर पूरा सेफ्टी रूल्स रेगुलेशन जो होता है, उन्होंने पूरा टोटली ओबे करके रखे हैं। पेशेंट को टोटली ठीक हिसाब से ट्रीटमेंट कर रहे हैं। और मैं एक मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ, जिसका ऐसा प्रॉब्लम होता है, ट्यूमर का प्रॉब्लम होता है और हार्ट का भी प्रॉब्लम होता है, डर के मारे उन्होंने घर में रह जाते हैं, नहीं ट्रीटमेंट कराते हैं, लेट हो जाता है, कैंसर की तरफ गति करता है। तो ये सब थोड़ा देखिए, नहीं होने के लिए क्या करेंगे, हम यहाँ आ सकते हैं, इतना ही बताना चाहता हूँ। और पूरा टोटली NH नारायण हृदय हॉस्पिटल को मैं थैंक यू बोलना चाहता हूँ। और वो जो टीम जो थे, रोहित रानाडे सर का जो टीम है, मैं उनका आभारी रहता हूँ। हर दिन याद करूँगा, उनको कभी नहीं भूलूँगा। भगवान आपका भला करे। थैंक यू।
This lady, Mrs. Trupti Sahu, she had come to us from Orissa. She had brought an ultrasound report which was suggestive of a mass arising from the uterus, as well as there was a mass in the adnexa, which was probably from the ovary or from the broad ligament. So we did her MRI scan and reviewed the MRI with our radiologist, and we reached to a conclusion that there was a separate mass which was arising from the uterus, and there was another mass which was probably arising from the broad ligament. So she basically needed surgery. She was advised the same at a private medical college in Orissa and also other few hospitals in Orissa. Now, unfortunately, this lady, in addition to having a suspicious mass in the abdomen, she also had a condition of the heart called as tetralogy of Fallot. Now, tetralogy of Fallot is a condition where it mainly occurs in children, and unfortunately, due to certain reasons, she was never offered treatment, or she could not get treatment for this condition. So for the tumorous condition, that is for the mass in the abdomen, she needed surgery. Now the surgery was quite challenging because of the heart condition. the giving her anesthesia, there was a risk to it. We discussed the entire risk with the patient. The guidance of our chairman, Dr. Devi Shetty sir, we decided that we would operate her taking the help of our cardiac anesthetists. Dr. Hema Nair and team from the cardiac anesthesia side, we consulted them and we did a good patient discussion regarding what are the possibilities, and we discussed in detail with the patient and decided to offer her surgery. Fortunately, the surgery went well. The surgery was also a difficult one because the mass was turned out to be a broad ligament mass, and it was stuck to the rectum as well as stuck to the ureter as well as the bladder. So the surgery was quite challenging, and she also had a heart condition due to which we had to perform the surgery quickly and we had to do it without much blood loss. Fortunately, the patient tolerated the surgery very well. The mass was also a precancerous lesion, so she doesn't need any further treatment, and now she can go and get the surgery done for her heart problem. She's recovered well. Today we have removed her stitches as well, and she intends to go back to her city in Orissa and then come back to us for the heart operation. We wish her best of luck for her future and wish her a great health ahead.
Hi, I'm Hema Nair. I'm one of the senior consultant anesthetists here in Narayana Hrudayalaya Health City. Today I want to share with you the story about a patient of mine called Trupti Saha. Trupti was already in the 3rd decade of her life, which in itself is a miracle, because she is what we would call a blue baby. As in, she was born with a congenital heart disease, which we doctors call tetralogy of Fallot. And the blood that flowed through her body was blue because it would not get enough oxygen. Now, most of these children, they do not make it past their 1st or even 2nd decade. So that is why Trupti, being alive and well in her 3rd decade at 39 years of age, is quite a wonderful thing. She is a homemaker, was able to do most of the chores around her house and was okay with it. She was not out running or playing badminton or mountaineering because her heart disease would prevent her from doing any of that. But she lived a normal life. But then she had the misfortune to have a gynecological disease. She had uterine sarcomas for which she needed surgery. Understandably, because she had a congenital heart disease, the doctors told her that it was a risky procedure, so she came to see us here. I first met with Trupti and her husband when the surgery was planned and assessed the risk that her heart disease would pose to her life. And then we went ahead with planning for the procedure. Spoke to her and her husband, explained the risks, but the surgery was very much needed, so we had to go ahead with it. On the day of the surgery also, we were very much geared up to handle any eventuality so that we could keep her safe and pull her through the stressful period of surgery and the post-operative period. God willing, she did very well, recovered, and then the histopathological report also showed that she doesn't need any further surgeries. So she is well now. Despite having a congenital heart disease, she went through a surgery uneventfully and is safe now. Because Narayana Hrudayalaya is primarily a hospital for heart surgeries, we see patients with heart diseases come here from all over the country, even with diseases of the other organ systems. And because we handle heart disease day in and day out, we are better equipped to handle it, and we have the knowledge and the expertise and the required teamwork to keep these patients safe during surgery.